yan, si Snowy. Happy 7th birthday, Nak. More birthday, more cake, and more candles to blow. Just enjoy your day, enjoy your party. Love ka ni Nuna. Bye!
Happy 7th birthday, Snow. May your birthday brings you a happiness such as you give to everyone who knows you. Continue to love and always listen to mommy and daddy. And also love your little sister as well. Happy birthday. We love you.
Hi, Snowy. Happy birthday. More birthday to come you.
Hi Snowy, it's Ate Dayan. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Always be a good girl and listen to mommy and daddy always, okay? We hope to meet you soon and God bless you. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Snowy. We love you.
Hi, Snowy! I know, happy ka gid subong kay birthday mo. Wish ko lang, padayon, sa pakabuot, kag pagkama sinulundon nga bata. Not only kay mami kag kay daddy mo, kundi sa tanan-tanan nga nagapalangga sa imo. Be a good girl always and study hard para maabot mo gid ang ginahandom mo. Happy birthday, my dear Snowy! I hope your special day is filled with love, laughter, and everything you wish for. Have a wonderful birthday. Lola Nini loves you so much. Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Snowy. More birthdays to come and God bless. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate.
Hi, Ate. Happy birthday. Ate Snowy. Miss you. Hi, Nona. Hi, Tita Dina.
Mama G, Kuya Drake, Papa Pong,
Tito Gol.
miss you.
Mami, ano pa? Mami Sugar pa?
Namigar.
Mami Gar. Kasi,
Mami
Mami
Gar.
Gar pa. Mami Sugar. Na,
Sugar.
Daddy Ilel.
Daddy Lilel.
See you.
See you.
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
Ate.
Ate Snowy.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday to me.
Happy birthday, Ate Snowy. More birthdays to come. God bless. Halong permi. See you soon. Happy birthday, Liwatan. Tiaguri di Compleano.
Happy
Ciao.
birthday, Ate Snowy. See you soon. Big na si Nikki. Big na bebe. Tindog be. Big na ko. Bala big na ko. Ay, ate, bye-bye na.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay na.
See you.